What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, love? I'm Kay, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. All right, so today I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. So basically, I'm going to be decluttering my room. I'm decluttering everything, girl. Shoes, bags, clothes, yonkindo. I'm really excited to get a move on and to get started with the process, and today basically that's what we're going to be doing. I am not somebody who likes to hoard things. I'm very liberal with the giving away and the selling and stuff like that, so that's something that I'm excited to do. And also I would love to shout out today's sponsor. I would love to shout out Yaga. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, because that is the platform that we're going to be using to sell our clothing. So if you are looking for a way to make a little bit more money but to declutter and cleanse your space at the same time, I really do recommend Yaga. Basically what's going to be happening is I'm going to take my clothes, I'm going to separate them into sections, and the things that I decide to sell I'm going to put up on my own Yaga store. I will have that link down below to my store, and if you're interested in anything that I've got on there, then you can purchase the clothes. And you can also do the same thing. You can clear out your wardrobe or clear out whatever, and then put whatever it is that you want to make extra money off of on there, and you can make money and get rid of something at the same time. I literally think it's the best concept, especially for somebody like me who doesn't really like to hold on to stuff. I do like to give way for other things to come in, because that's what I believe. I believe that if you cleanse your space, you're making space for things to come in and fill your space with new things. And I genuinely think that's exactly what I need. I need to get into a place where things are minimal so that new things can come into my life. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, let me know in the comment section down below. But for now, let's get started. Okay, so I want to get started with this area. Okay, don't judge me, I was filming, so it's not going to be super neat. So this is my chest of drawer. I know the thingies are broken. This thing is literally so old. I think I've had it since I was in grade 12, and yeah, it's the first thing that's getting replaced when we redo the room. Technically what's supposed to be in here, because I've got a rail in this room, so in the rail, on the rail, there are like jackets and stuff like that, and those were here before I moved them here. So I have no idea. I have no idea what's in here, so that's what I want to clear up. First of all, I do want to clear the top. I do just want to clear the top of this, just so I know, you know, what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm going to be dividing everything into keep, sell, and give away. And yeah, I'm going to make sure that the things that I sell are things that I actually could wear again, but I just choose not to. And then the giveaway are just going to be things that I genuinely feel have to go, you know. So let's start with the top drawer. Oh, I know what's in here. Okay, so what's in here is like swimsuits, right? It's swimsuits and stuff like that. So a lot of this is like from companies, and I am not going to be keeping any of this. But there are a couple things I actually want to keep in here. I've noticed that it's actually not just swimsuits, it's also like lingerie and stuff like that. I don't know why I've got lingerie in here that I'm not using. So anyway, there's like this bodysuit that I actually do wear. Like, it's just, I wear it with jeans. And then there's also this cute pink one. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these. I'll figure out where I want to put them. I just think the reason I don't like the bikinis is because they've got the full butt, and I don't like that. So yeah. He's gonna kill me. This isn't my sock, it's his. Okay guys, wow, the lighting sucks because the softbox is like right here, but I'm on the side of my room, and basically the rail is here. Let me tell you about this rail. Can I please buy this reel? 2 minutes. So basically what happened was I got this reel because I thought I'm gonna put all my outerwear here, I'm gonna change up the look of this room, fine. Got this rail cannot even handle the weight of 2 jackets. So basically what happened is it fell. My mom even put a plaster on the edge. I don't know if you can see, but right there in the corner there's a plaster. And yeah, this is a hot mess, so I do want to get rid of this. But before I get rid of it, I obviously have to clear it up. So what we're going to do now is choose the jackets that are staying and the jackets that are leaving. And this is the first jacket. It's this puffer jacket, such good qualities from factory, but I do not want to keep this. I don't think that this serves me. I haven't worn it in a long time, and when I do, I just don't feel it. Like, I just don't like this jacket, but it is amazing quality. Like, it is great. It is literally luxe, and it's hot. Like, it's hot. This is another jacket that I'm just like, okay, I get it, but I don't want to keep it. I'm gonna sell this one as well. It's just, you know, I don't know, I just don't think I dress like this anymore, so it's getting sold. And then this is another cute little jersey. So basically it looks like this at the back, and yeah, I think this is cute and whatever, but I personally, I don't want to wear it, so that's getting sold. I told you guys, like, I'm very liberal with the getting rid of things, so yeah, expect quite a few things on my store. Okay, so this is like really nice with like dark jeans and like a leather jacket and stuff like that, but that's not personally my style, so I'm going to sell this. And then here are the things I'm actually gonna keep. I'm gonna keep this teddy coat. I love it. It fits my vibe, it fits my style, and I've got it in a light nude vibe as well. I do wish they were a bit smaller. They're a little too baggy, but I will keep these. And then this is something I stole this from one of my cousins, but I love this thing, and I'm never gonna get rid of it, so I'm gonna keep this. Here's the thing, guys, you might think that I'm just like like, give us away, throw this away. Like, you might think that's just like what I'm doing, but if you watch all my other declutter with me, this is like my personality. Like, you'll realize that this is my personality, and I'm just so glad that I can actually like make money off of this, because imagine making money off of like your favorite characteristic about yourself. Like, I think that's amazing. So we're gonna move on. So yeah, let's move on to the closet. Yo, I almost fell. The closet. Okay, so first and foremost, this blazer that has matching pants. It's like a suit. Like, there was the Zara suit. You guys know the Zara suit that was like mad popular? It's very nice. I got it in a large, right? The quality is great, everything is great about it. I just don't think this is my personal style. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was thinking, oh, I have to be more risky with my fashion, da 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 da, and I bought a yellow suit. I just, even has the tag on it, guys. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. I'm also going to be selling this denim jacket. It is great. It is beautiful. It's from the Fix. Literally still smells brand new. It's nice. Like, it's a very nice jacket. It's even got like the frayed details at the bottom. But guys, if I'm being honest with myself, I never wear denim jackets. I don't like the look of denim jackets. I don't like the look of denim jackets on me. It was cute while it lasted. Okay, and then this is a bomber jacket, which I know I will not wear again. I'm going to give this. Wow, yeah. Oh, this is just a basic white shirt, which I'm gonna keep, and I'm going to give away my other white shirt. So this one is like a linen material, and this one is more of like a structured school type of material, so this I'm gonna give away. And then my turtlenecks, I'm gonna keep the white and the nude. Move my thingies. And then I'm going to sell these. Now, these are cute. They've run their course. They're bodysuits. I'll show you the picture. I'm going to give these, I'm going to sell these because I would wear them still. I just don't like the fit of them on me. So they're just a much bigger, they're just big, you know what I'm saying? They're like a large, and I just don't, they don't fit me nicely. So I don't think I need them. This dress can go. Oh my god, this dress can actually go. This is the Pretty Little Thing shirt dress, the one that shows my boobs real nice. That's the dress. Never gonna wear that again, I already know. I'll keep the other white Pretty Little Thing dress. Okay, that's it for the tops. That's what I'm keeping, and I'm dead ass. That is what I'm keeping. Quite a lot of my faves are here. Room to grow, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually gonna do a haul soon, so I do want to purge quite a bit. So yeah guys, I literally went from having no space in my wardrobe to having so much space. I literally just spaced things out, and these are all the hangers that I now have, and I've also got a couple down here and all the white ones on that actual rail. And yeah, like I've got so much room, like I've got so much room to actually get new things. But I do want to move on to shoes. I just want to show you the shoes that I'm going to be selling. All I'm going to be giving away are these blue Vans that I used to wear to school. I don't wear these anymore, literally haven't worn them in so long, so I'm giving those away. For heels, I'm going to be selling these from the Fix, these snake skin block heels. These are still cute, they're just not high enough for me anymore. I'm going to give away these boots. They are from Mr. Price. They're just scuffed. Like if they weren't scuffed, I would definitely sell them, but they're scuffed, and I don't think anybody wants to buy scuffed white boots, so I'm going to give these away. And then these are also heels that I'm going to be selling. These are from YDE. These are very nice. I just don't like them anymore, so I'm going to be selling these. So yeah, these are going to be sold. And yeah, that's basically it for shoes. I don't see anything else that I'm just like, ugh, I don't like you anymore. These are what I want to get rid of. So yeah, that's basically it. I actually want to show you guys. So obviously the rail got cleared out, and this is the pile of things. Let me move this yoga mat. This is the, okay, that's the heater. But this is the pile of things that I'm going to be selling. Please ignore the actual pillow that is here. But yeah, I'm going to organize these tomorrow when I've actually got access to black plastic bags. And then this is the pile of things I'm going to be giving away. So the first pile, that's trash. But this is also another pile of things that I'm going to be giving away. And then that's just like my mom's stuff. And this is stuff that actually has to go into the wardrobe right now. So yeah guys, for me tonight, this is the last you'll see of me. I'm gonna go take off my makeup right now. It's hella late. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then let me know in the comment section down below. But I enjoyed myself as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up, and also tell me what you thought in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in any of the things that I showed that I'm going to be selling, then definitely click the link in the description box. Probably it's not sold right now, who knows. So go into my Yaga store and go check out whether or not the things are sold. And if you have things that you want to like get rid of, you can have a Yaga store, and you can definitely just keep it for a long time. Every time you declutter, you can go onto your Yaga store and you can sell the things that you want, and you can like clean up your life and like make money, you know, on the side. It's something that's really, really cool that you can do. I just feel clear, guys. I just feel like, yes, that felt good. I enjoyed that a lot. But for now guys, I'm tired. I'm ready to take these lashes off, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.